I am on a journey to find out what discount clothing store has the best deals for the purpose of reselling. This is the second and final part of this tournament, but don't worry if you didn't watch it. Here's a quick summary of part 1. We started off with all 5 stores: Burlington, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Ross, and Gabe's. And after visiting each location, in round 1, Marshalls had the best prices, leaving us with a profit of $435, while TJ Maxx did the worst with a profit of $0, making it the first store to be eliminated. On to round 2, we had some crazy good deals, with Burlington having the best with a profit of $348, while Gabe's did the worst with a profit of -$10, eliminating it in round 2, leaving Burlington, Marshalls, and Ross to progress onto the semifinals. This is really about to get heated. Later on, once we determine the winner, I will go through a full summary of how much I made, and it's actually insane. Enough of that, let's get this started. Here are the rules. I must find the top 5 deals in each store. The store with the worst deals in that specific round is eliminated. No matter what happens, I must buy at least 1 shoe from each store. Size 19 is crazy. At this location, we were just bombarded with the newest LeBrons and a decent amount of Nikes, but other than that, the shelves are pretty dry. For our first best deal for Burlington, we have this pink LeBron 21 going for $65 here and $144 online, leaving us with a profit of $79. Next up, we have the same LeBrons but in a purple colorway, also going for $65 here at Burlington but $100 online. For the second time in this tournament, we found these sick Monopoly LeBron 22s for $65 and $150 online. Next up, we have these LeBron 21s selling for $65 and $130. And last but not least, these Nike Trail Gore-Tex Edition are going for $60 here and $140 online, making it a very solid choice. And the shoe that I'll be taking from these 5 deals will of course be the Monopoly LeBron. Like, just come on, look at this thing. Like, our total potential profit from our 5 deals are $344, making this a very solid Burlington run. Let's see if Marshalls can handle the heat. When I got to the shoe aisle, I found a single wall of men's shoes, really making this hard on me. I looked at every row and every option, but nothing. Until I found these pink camo Air Maxes for here for $79 and $110 online. But that's pretty much it. I think we may have found our loser for this round. But as you know, the rule is I have to buy something. So I was getting ready to buy these until... yeah, no, I'm not paying $13 for some toddler sized shoes. We settled for these slides for like $9 that we will never get back. And on to the final stop for round 3, which is Ross. Right off the bat, things seemed really promising, and I just ran into these crazy deals. Starting off, we have these Nike SB Sweet Tooth editions for $60 here and $125 online. Next up, we have these white Vans going for $22 here and $40 online. Nothing crazy. Our third deal is these Under Armour track spikes going for $13 here and $110 online. That is what I would be taking home until I saw these beauties. I found 2 Nike Pegasus 21s going for $20 a pop, which is a crazy discount. I don't know who messed up when they were making these tags, but I'm taking both of them. After totaling our potential profits from the 5 deals, we are leaving with $400 flat, making this one of the best runs of the tournament so far. And because of this, Marshalls is obviously eliminating round 3, leaving Burlington and Ross to move on to the final. It's been a long day. We are a finale between Burlington and Ross. It does not matter what we found in the other stores. Whatever we find here will determine the winner.
Yo, you think these hot?
You know what's funny? I just caught some of those this morning.
If I put them back, somebody gonna get them.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. You better grab them.
$110.
Yeah, I think like 150 online.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. So that's why I saw him earlier and I was like, I gotta grab him.
Oh, you put them in here?
Like at another location.
Huh?
I don't know, like location.
Oh, you got them, right?
I'm driving around. I'm from Harrisburg.
Yeah.
Hitting up all the Burlingtons, Rosses, and all that. And just, yeah.
You got a pair of them?
I bought them just so I can resell. They're not like my size or anything, but.
You gonna resell them?
Yeah, I resell. Yeah. So it's like.
For real?
Yeah, they made good bread on eBay.
Get 100 for yours?
I got like the same 60, so I'll probably sell for like 120, 110. It's like a good $40, but if I do it a couple times, it adds up.
Oh, you do it?
Yeah, it just adds up a little, yeah.
Oh, that might be a good idea for me.
That's a little side hustle, you know?
I'll be stacking my shoes.
Probably grab them.
I'm grabbing them.
Yeah, now you got it.
I'll be stupid, but
that's what I'm saying.
I walk away, these things are gonna be here tonight.
Yeah.
They're nice, right? They're different.
They're very different. I like them.
Yeah. Oh, no, it's just stuff I'm like trying to look through. I'll like bring all of them here and I'll just like stare at it.
How much you said it was online for? 160?
Yeah, like 160, 150 brand new.
It's gonna hit and miss.
Yeah. All right, man, have a good one.
Yeah.
Take care. Hey, yo. After running through every option, my top 5 deals have been chosen for both Burlington and Ross. With my first deal being these Nike Street Fly, amazing deal. Here going for 60 and 170 online. Only thing that turned me away was that they were size 14, but really solid choice. For Ross's first deal, we have these Nike React Hyper Set for 45 here and 140 online, which is actually insane. For deal 2, Burlington had these Jordan Zions going here for 55 and 130 online, which is really good. And for Ross's deal number 2, I found these black camo all-weather waterproof Vans going here for 40 and around 130 online, which is another really good option. For deal 3, we have these black LeBron 21 selling here for 65 and online for 150, making it another solid choice. For Ross's deal number 3, we have these Trae Youngs that are 35 but retail ideas for 140. But I doubt I can sell them for that much now. We'll count that. And deal number 4 at Burlington, we have these Court Royale selling here for 40 and 75 online. Pretty calm. Before we get to Ross's number 4 deal, here I have Burlington's 5th deal. These Nike Air Maxes go here for 55 and a crazy 180 online. But then I found these 2 at Ross for my 4th and 5th deals. These Nike Vaporfly sell here for $80, minimum of 180 brand new, which is crazy, leaving us with a profit of $200 from these both alone. And the shoe that I'll be buying from Ross will of course be the Vaporflies. And at Burlington, I don't really care anymore. I'm just gonna buy the Court Royales. Am I saying that right? And in the finals from all 5 deals at Burlington, the estimated profits come to a very strong $430, while Ross almost hit $500 with a total of $490, which is just mind-blowing. Therefore, crowning Ross the store with the best deals. Before I say the mind-blowing totals from these results, just know this took me all day, from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. non-stop. It was a lot, but we got it done. If I bought all the shoes from our deals, it would have costed us $2,425, and we would have gotten an estimated $6,410 back, leaving us with a profit of $3,815. And right here, I'm gonna list the profits from each store. And let's say I just completely butchered those numbers. Me just making a quarter of that in one day, which is 1,000, is already insane, let alone almost 4,000. I'm really out here trying to make the most fun, unique, best content out there for making money, which is something you don't see out there. When's the last time you see somebody make 4 bands in one day? Exactly. And for the shoes that I did buy, I'm looking at about a $700 profit, which is not bad at all. So I'll take $700 in one day, but worst case scenario, maybe I like $500 in one day. I'm just saying, that's pretty good. Next videos are gonna keep getting crazier. This is only the 4th video on the channel. We have weekly uploads. Do not go anywhere. Another banger coming up soon. I'll see y'all there.